Okay, I've been waiting for this moment forever. I have the hiccups. Hold on, let me wait for one to come.
That's not even coming out. You said that.
It might not. Okay, get a glass of water and put a paper towel over it and drink it like this.
That ain't gonna work.
My hiccups are gone.
No, it ain't.
They're gone.
There's no way.
They're literally gone, I promise you. I've always wanted to show TikTok this because no one knows it, but it works every single time.
Give it another 30 seconds.
Okay. I only have until a minute.
Okay. Let it in a minute.
It's literally gone.
Okay, let it know.
Anyways, if you have the hiccups, do this. They will be away forever. I promise you.
Boo-boo.
It's not boo-boo.